Let's dive into division. His superstars. Don't forget to smash that look button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing et by 2. We'll begin with the first divot, et. We're going to use the first divot of we is et. None need to carry anything over this term. How many terms does 2 fit into? Et, let's count 2, 4, 6, et. It fits 4 terms. Let's deck or work. For terms 2 is et exactly what we have. Now we subtract it from et. That leaves us with 0, easy peasy. While you're doing amazing, that first step was a breeze. We've used one divot and now it's time to bring down the next one. Get ready for the next step. Math whiz, we've got a 0 from our last step and we bring down the next divot, it. Now we have it. We bring down the next divot, et, to end the 0. Our new number to divide is et. Tim for the big quest. And how many terms does 2 get into? Et, we know this one, it's 4. Let's multiply to make sure. 4 times 2 equals it, perfect. Subtract it from it, what do you get? 0, we're almost there. You're rocking this. We've reached the end of the divots and our remainder is 0. Hurrah, we've divided et by 2 completely. The answer is 44. So, et divided by 2 equals 44. We did it. We conquered dividing et by 2. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. You've got this. Great job, Math Explorers. Keep practicing and you'll be division wizards in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.